Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Write Chinese with Penny. Today we're going to learn how to say a phrase in Chinese. My favorite, 我最喜欢的。我 I or my 最 the most 喜欢 like. My favorite, 我最喜欢的。The first character 我 is demonstrated how to the way to write 我 is demonstrated in another video. You can look it up and look it up and find it in another video. And I'm going to show you the other four characters here. 最 the most.最喜欢的喜 like 喜 The second line is shorter. Okay. 喜 it has four parts. Okay, let me write this again. This is one part, and this is the second part. This is the fourth part, and this is the last part. I'm writing this character from the top to the bottom. 喜欢喜欢欢欢喜欢的的最喜欢的 my favorite 我最喜欢的 Thank you for watching.